So if you want to create the grid, you can just right click and go to edit surface style and go to display, and from here you can see the grid option. You can just click apply. Now you can see that your grid is here. If you want to change the grid spacing, you can change the grid spacing from here. For example, I'm going to this 40 by 40, so it will be apply. It will be big, this box. So if you want to add also label for the grading, you can just go to add. You can add from here all the labels, spot elevation on grid. You can just make it, and you can just select the base point, and you can just select grid rotation. For example, you can just give 90, and you can click here. Spacing, how much spacing is yours? For example, we have 40, and you can just give again 40, and you can give the upper grid points. So now you can see that once you click here and you press enter, now you will see that your level is created successfully. You see 17.50, 14.50, 22.66. This is your grid levels. So I hope this is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.